Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. This video explores more of a question. Is there any Swiss Army knife that has surprised you, either in a good way or a bad way? Let me know in the comments below. In this video, I'll share with you mine. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. Thanks. We all love our Swiss Army knives. We all have one or two. Haha, that's a knife joke. We all have one or two dozen, and generally I'm really pleased with all of them. I have a few of them from my collection here. This is the Climber, my very first one, the Cyber 2 Small, the Compact, a very popular model, and this one-handed Forester, great for bushcraft and outdoor use. So none of these surprised me in the sense that I knew I was getting, and I was happy with, of course, the fit and finish, the quality, and all the different functionality. So these are not the knives in question for this video. I'll first talk about the knife that surprised me in a bad way. Now, I don't have many 58mm Swiss Army knives, so when I wanted to get one, I decided why not go for the best, so the MiniChamp, and I got it over here. In fact, I got the one with the light. Now, the reason I got this one was because it's cheaper than the one without the light. Yeah, go figure. But in any case, I got it, and originally I thought I would get a mini version of the Swiss Champ, so kind of a similar tool set, but I didn't, and that's, I think, what surprised me. Now, of course, there are great tools here. You do, of course, have the main blade, the scissors, you have that Phillips head screwdriver, obviously very good, and this is kind of a combo with the wire stripper as well as the cap lifter. So I think everything on this side of the knife is really good. But the other side has some tools which I guess leaves me wondering why they're there, at least in terms of functional use on a daily basis. For example, this is supposed to be, I guess, a nail cleaner maybe, or I believe it's an orange peeler. And then you have this, okay, this is a sheep's foot style blade, so smaller. You have a nail file, and then you got this one over here. Let's see if I can pull that out. This, I guess, is like kind of a parcel opener. Yeah, I guess you could do that, but you already have two knives. And then you have this, which is a ruler with the flathead screwdriver. So really not sure why you'd need that. I feel that you could do what some of the knives do, where you have the nail file with that flathead screwdriver, and these other tools I'm not too keen on. Well, this version doesn't have the scale tools because it's the light version, but it does have that pressure pen, so I'm okay with that as well. But by and large, I would say I was a bit disappointed with the tool set because it's supposed to have a lot of functionality. It's thicker than, of course, the other versions of the 58mm, but yeah, just didn't do it for me. What about you? Do you have the MiniChamp, and what do you think about the tool set? So this is the one I was a bit disappointed with. Now I'll talk about the one that surprised me in a happy way, and it's this one, which I've talked a lot about in some of my recent videos, and that's the Alox Pioneer X. And I never thought I would like the Alox versions, mainly because I think the original silver ones didn't really appeal to me, and then there weren't the scale tools. But eventually I did see the 2022 version, which is this limited edition, and I got it. It's a 93mm, so it's bigger than the standard 91mm, and I really like it, and I haven't really missed the scale tools. Well, I do carry the Swiss card with me now, and so I do have those tools there as well. But this I found just a joy in terms of the size. Even though it's just slightly bigger, I don't know, it just feels bigger. I feel more assured of it. Of course, one fact is the back springs are stronger, so you get you know, that more stronger and more secure click, which I do like as well. It's got the scissors because it's the Pioneer X, and this is something I'm EDCing now, and really it surprised me because I didn't think I would like the Alox series as much as I did. I still don't like the silver color, but this color really works for me. So that surprised me in a good way. This didn't surprise me in a very good way. So which are the Swiss Army knives that you liked or did not like? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.